Kennesaw, Georgia.
Kennesaw, Georgia.
This is the men's and furniture gallery.
Oh, look what they have here. Hold on.
Focusing issues.
Yeah. Look what they have here, a Westinghouse. Old A series. Oh, the dinner bell is broken. This is exactly like the elevator at the Valley View Mall. Same elevator, same buttons, same everything.
Listen to the motor on this thing. It's better on the first floor. With the fan on, you can't really hear it. But this elevator is original to the mall.
Yep, Westinghouse interlock. Looks straight out of 1984, and the door closes when you push the button. Phone. This is just like the one at the Valley View Mall, and look at the security cameras like ripped off.
Dinner bell works on the second floor.
Is someone getting on?
No, it's a computer glitch. It always stops here. Oh, just kidding. Somebody's getting on. Come on in. You go now?
All right, go to 2.
We'll listen to the dinner bell. There's the phone.
Sounds like a drive power motor. You can hear it start up.
Mm-hmm. It is. It's 3,500 pound capacity.
We know Westinghouse always made stellar hydraulics, so right now,
We'll send it up to 3.
press the button.
Oh, talk about vandalized. Go down.
Sounds like it's low on fluid.
Slightly. That's weird. Look at that. Huh.
Typical Westinghouse quality.
Yeah.
Westinghouse never made good hydros.
Mm.
And this is a classic example of one that's not very good.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet up here. Alright, listen.
I want to sound sample this. Epic. Now we're going to back up the mall.
Now we're gonna go down and listen to the motor again. From the machine room. So how you been, Andrew?
Oh hey, I've been good. I didn't know you were recording still.
I record to the end.
Typical Westinghouse quality here, y'all.
You're gonna
I wonder if the stop button rings the alarm.
I don't know.
Where's the machine?
right in front of you.
Which one?
To the left. Just kidding, to the right.
Gosh, you got me on hopes all up, but I saw a janitor closet.
You're gonna want to record it.
Let it go. Okay. Let's drive, Howard.
We are at the service quarter town center at Cobb in Kennesaw, and I've never been back here before, and there's a freight elevator. You got me.
These are white.
Get a can before we go.
This is weird seeing Epco on a Montgomery elevator. Look at that phone.
Huh.
Hard to put under oil.
Jesus, scared the crap out of me. You can tell not too often I never ride freight elevators.
We're gonna have a motor going up.
Yeah.
Ready? Let's listen to the motor. Montgomery motors never disappoint. Let me tell you, for Montgomery motor, this thing runs incredibly well.
Yeah.
Unlike the jerk that used this before us.
Corian door. And I guess that was interesting. We are at the Sears store at Town Center at Cobb.
Town Center. Montgomery with a fan on. The door close button works. Here we go.
Yeah, you can't hear it over the fan.
You can hear the motor over the fan.
Barely. Compared to my original video here.
We are at another elevator at what mall?
Town Center at Cobb, Kennesaw.
These people closed it. Since you want to ride it, you get to wrestle at the door.
Sweet. Of course, not too often do I get to ride freight elevators, so.
It's Montgomery. Oh, all yours?
Here, hold my camera.
I'll help. The other one was better. All right, let's.
Oh. This one's heavy. Holy crap.
That one was light as a feather.
This one is.
Now, before we go, we'll look at the elevator. This is a Montgomery elevator. And see that 4,000-pound Montgomery sign? Inspection.
It's maintained by Schindler.
It's weird seeing of an EPCO. All right, now let's be quiet and listen to the motor.
Here we go.
Sucks, the interlock drowned out the motor.
Whoa, re-leveled.
Hate to say the other elevator's better.
Yeah.
This one's not in good shape. Alright, y'all, this is not the greatest elevator. I like the elevator. Two hands, here we go.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
And there goes a hand.
That's it.
JCPenny. We have California. Montgomery A Series, y'all. This is a Montgomery elevator, y'all. California, look at that. See that? Here we go.
Listen to the motor.
What a motor. And as with Montgomery, you get instant door close.
There's Andrew.
Phone.
What we'll do now, we'll listen to the motor one more time, but we'll do it with the doors closed. You'll get a better startup.
What's that beep beep?
I don't know. I've heard it on a lot of elevators. Door closed doesn't work. I don't know why.
Hold on. Yeah, don't do the sensor.
There we go.
End up here.
Mm-hmm. What do you think?
What a motor. There it goes. That will be.
Welcome to today's episode of Exploring with Diesel Doocy.
Yeah, we're in a shopping center.
We're at Town Center at Cobb and one another's service corridors,
The elevators right around the corner.
trying to find a freighter.
Or any elevator for that matter.
Yeah.
The elevator with this.
My tour guide in my own mall.
Gosh, this is a long walk. I have to check the other side.
This mall,
If there's no elevator on this side, there'll be one on the other side.
this mall is a maze.
So you ever thought you see your mall from this point of view?
Nope. Avoiding. This is like the detour of the main traffic.
Alright.
Oh, I think I see one.
If there's an elevator, it's gonna be down here.
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, we are coming up on the third elevator in the shopping.
Another Montgomery.
And it's right here waiting for us. Good.
Can I open the door?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Same elevator. Open the door. Is that one heavy?
Nah, not that heavy.
Hopefully this interlock won't ground out. I'll tell you one thing. I smell hydraulic.
Yeah.
Just like the
look
others
at that.
and all. Let's go see the motor going up. Send it up to 2.
Wait, let's get a cab before we go. I don't think I got a cab yet. This is just another basic elevator, but this one's a little bit nicer. In quotes,
Show
nicer.
them.
ADA compliant.
Alright, listen to the motor.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa, this one had a good motor on it.
Yeah.
This one's better than the other one.
What am I stepping on?
Trash.
Of course, we're in a freight elevator.
In a Simon roll.
Yup.
How long this hallway is. This hallway's like long. And here's the end. And I know people have asked me, this is the fire stair. Here's the fire stair. There's an entrance there and an entrance there. That's it for this elevator.
Interesting. This is a newer corridor, I guess you could say, here at Town Center. And now we have a freighter that
We're at
has
Town Center.
power doors.
Okay, go and open it up. Press the call. Oh, look at that sign.
Wow.
Look at this.
Huh.
Close it up. Holy cow, that's fast for hydro.
Wow.
Phone.
Has Peely doors. That's definitely one of my favorites.
Yeah. That was good.
Wow, that was definitely number one. Opposite side,
This
opposite
is-
elevator.
How many elevators have we ridden here so far?
This is number 5, 6, 4. I've lost track.
motor is open. And there's Eric.
There's Andrew.
And I'm trying to focus. There we go.
Here's the elevator.
Wow, this one's green. Again, the floor indicator on this one works.
Sweet.
Here's the phone. Here we go.
Door's rough on this one.
Let's listen to the motor. I hate to say, I'm not impressed with the motor. It's too quiet. I will say this, Eric. For a hydraulic elevator, this thing's like a rocket.
Yeah.
Send it down to the bottom floor.
It was definitely smooth going up though.
Yeah. This is a nice elevator.
Here's your phone. Let's close her up.
Re-level.
Yeah, just re-leveled.
Wow.
That was interesting.
Fast. Montgomery makes it fast elevators.
Of course you know where we are in this one.
Belk, what mall?
Huh?
What mall is this?
Montgomery.
What mall?
Oh, Town Center, Cobb.
All right, here we go. Let's listen to the motor. It runs good. It takes a while to level. Pull up here and we'll look at it. There's the indicator that's burned out.
There's glass everywhere, pretty much.
There's Eric.
Hey, Andrew. ADA compliant phone.
It's a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Yeah. It was one of the first ones I rode here, actually.
This was one of the first elevators you ever rode. Or just here. Look at that. There's the light.
Yep.
It takes a while to close up. Does that go off when it closes?
Yeah.
Cool. East Otis. Look at that.
This is the Macy's at Town Center, Cobb.
Up,
Ooh, re-leveled.
Here we go.
Wow, they've really maintained this elevator well.
No classic level. ADA phone. This is nice for an Otis Series 1.
Mm-hmm. Macy's has kept this one under well maintained.
Yeah, you can tell. There may be someone waiting here. Nope. You can tell. Look at this. Look at the call station.
Wait. Setting it up so I can watch it. Ah, it just changed.
It changed before the door closed.
Wow. Well, anyway, I guess that's it.
The motor's in the women's restroom.
This is the main elevator here, Town Center, Cobb.
What kind is this? Montgomery?
Out of all Montgomerys, you get more Montgomery.
Yeah.
We might be lucky to get it ourselves.
Here it is.
There's gonna be people inside.
Yep. What do you think about this? This is what I hate about weekends at the mall, you know?
Yep.
It's so busy. All right, here we go. It's all ours.
Whoa.
Oh, this has got the original buttons. Let's listen to the motor. What a motor.
Come on in.
Yeah, this thing is going to be busy.
Yeah, the one downtown area was better.
And these ones I got creamy salted caramel.
All right, behind.
It was really, really good.
Yeah, that's like the
Pinkies. Pinkies boy. Give me hug. Give me hug. Oh, it's just
got it, babe.
Yes, ma'am. Let's go. Is anyone coming up?
Yeah. You're welcome.
So, that is the elevator. So, can you see going up from over here?
Yeah.
So, you just got that motor.
Oh yeah. That is still original to this day.
That will be it.